How to do competitive research with Claude AI fast and free. In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to do competitive research with Claude AI fast and completely free, step by step. Starting right now. Welcome back everyone. Competitive analysis is not easy. It takes regular monitoring, lots of research, and compiling all findings into actionable reports. But Claude AI completely changes the game. Competitive analysis that used to take 3 hours now takes 25 minutes, and market trend synthesis dropped from 6 hours to 1. So today I am going to walk you through the exact workflow to get that done. Let's get into it. Step 1. Open Claude and set the context. Go to Claude AI on your browser. You do not need a paid plan to start. Free tier users can analyze uploaded documents, which is more than enough to get started. Start by asking Claude, "Can you help me do competitor research?" Then provide the following details. What your main goal is, whether that is pricing analysis, feature comparison, or market positioning. The more context you give Claude up front, the sharper and more relevant its output will be. Step 2. Identify your competitors. Claude can identify your competitors and outline key insights on their marketing strategy. It can also show the industry's market trends and recommend competitor analysis frameworks. Simply tell Claude your business name, what you sell, and who your target customer is. Claude will then surface your top competitors and give you a structured breakdown of how each one is positioned in the market. Step 3. Run a head-to-head competitor comparison. Claude can produce a head-to-head comparison of brands' content strategy, influencer approach, brand positioning, and advertising focus. To do this, copy and paste publicly available information about your competitors directly into the chat. This could be their homepage copy, their pricing page text, or their about page. Claude excels at summarizing, comparing sources, identifying research gaps, and structuring analysis plans. It works best as a research assistant, synthesizing and analyzing information you provide rather than as a primary source. Step 4. Run a SWOT analysis. Claude is strong at analyzing competitive landscapes, structuring SWOT analyses, and building market sizing estimates, especially when you provide rich context about your market. Ask Claude directly, "Give me a SWOT analysis for my brand versus competitor X based on the information I have provided." Claude will break down the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats in a clean and structured format you can use immediately. Step 5. Use Claude Projects to save your research workspace. Projects is a persistent workspace feature where you upload documents, set context, and continue research across multiple sessions. Unlike a one-off conversation, Claude remembers your project's documents and context each time you return. This means you do not need to re-upload documents or re-explain context for each new research query. This is a game changer for ongoing competitor tracking. Step 6. Mine competitor job postings for hidden intelligence. This is the most underused step in the entire process. Competitor job postings are one of the most underused competitive intelligence sources. They reveal what competitors are building, where they are expanding, their pain points, and even budget signals through salary ranges in listings. Simply paste a competitor's job listing into Claude and ask it to extract strategic insights. You will be shocked at what it uncovers. Now here is your pro tip. Paste the actual data, not just descriptions of it, because Claude analyzes raw content better than summaries. Use XML tags to separate your data from your questions, and enable extended thinking for complex analysis that requires multi-step reasoning. This one habit alone will double the quality of every competitive research output Claude gives you. And that is a wrap. Today you learned how to set up Claude for competitive research on the free plan, how to identify and compare competitors, how to run a SWOT analysis, how to use projects to save your research workspace, and how to mine job postings for hidden strategic signals. If this video helped you work smarter, smash that like button, hit subscribe so you never miss a tutorial like this, and drop a comment below telling me which industry you are researching right now. I read every single comment. See you in the next one.